And because of this Omicron variant, new cases rising fast in Virginia just before Christmas. Officials with the Virginia Department of Health reported more than 8,700 new infections today. The last time numbers were this high was back in January. All of this comes as people plan to travel to and from Virginia for the holidays. But as Alex Littlehales reports, even finding out whether you have COVID has come as a challenge.
Rapid tests like this practically as valuable as gold right now as families prepare to get together for the holiday season. But even the clinics that are supposed to be providing access to these are having a hard time getting their hands on them. It can be said that this Christmas is hardly about what's under the tree for Margie Ballou.
It's the first time I've seen my grandson in over 2 years.
More important is the company she's expecting.
Having Christmas together is huge. All of us finally in one place.
For the first time in a long time.
Going to be house full.
A full house for the holidays. That's why Margie and her husband Bill searched for rapid tests and booster shots at this Christmas Eve clinic in Hampton.
He was not happy about coming out because he figured it'd be so crowded, and I said, it's important, we got to do this.
The answer they got was one patients heard all day long.
Sorry, we don't have any more. Oh. We won't have any more until next week.
The testing is increasing and people are concerned.
Demand for rapid tests at a level so high that even this clinic couldn't provide them for the public.
The labs that we generally used were already booked in their offices, so they were unable to come, didn't have the rapid testing for us.
According to the Virginia Department of Health, the state recorded more than 30,000 PCR tests as of Wednesday, and more than 16,000 rapid antigen tests in one day, all while the state's positivity rate rises to more than 11% over the last 7 days. Many, like Margie and Bill Ballou, returned home, still unsure about whether they're positive or negative. But at least these two, married for more than half a century, left with a booster dose before dinner.
Yeah, as long as it doesn't affect our appetite.
Yeah, there you go.
In Hampton, I'm Alex Littlehales for 13 News Now.
More than 1,500 Virginians are hospitalized right now with COVID-19. And while you might not be able to get a test before tomorrow, Military Circle Mall will pick back up COVID-19 testing on Monday morning. The testing clinic is open from 11 to 6. Vaccines will be available Tuesday through Thursday before the clinic closes again on New Year's Eve. The Portsmouth Health Department is also kicking back into gear, making tests and vaccines available to the community. This Monday, there will be a clinic for tests and vaccines at the 4th Baptist Church from 10:30 to 1:30. Pfizer vaccines will be available to those as young as 5 years old. Another clinic will be held Wednesday at the St. Mark Missionary Baptist Church from 1 to 5. The clinics are free and no appointments are required.